Good evening, everybody. Got my Elecraft KX3 with my Trail Friendly 10-20-40 meter antenna. Got it wrapped up over a mirror, listening to two people speak German. I'm currently running on batteries. I think I'm down to about 10.5 volts. Just got the 8 AA batteries in there. Energizer 2300 milliamp. I heard some CW down on the lower band.
What you're running, but even on the reduced power, you've got a good signal here into Florida tonight, Nick. How have you been, my friend? Over.
I'll pick up one-sided conversation here. But if you have any questions, post them below. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.